Welcome back to Homestead, Mississippi. We're about to make some changes around here. Be prepared. You know, I talk sometimes about bobbing and weaving, like in boxing, you know. Sometimes you get punched, get knocked down, have to get back up. And for defense purposes, you have to bob and weave. Bob and weave. Change directions. Well, we've got to change some directions around here. First off, old Shrek. Good donkey, real good donkey. But he's a pain with all my other animals. So we have to take him back and forth to the far part of the field. That's not life. That's horrible. So we're gonna rehome him. We got someone possibly picking him up tomorrow morning. Hope that all goes well. We'll hopefully give him a new home and a good home and change directions here. But that's not the major change. Major change, goats. I said goats. Yes. We're going to do a little bit of sell off on my meat goats. Not much. We're still going to keep most of them. Some of them are going to be moving on. Good portion of them will be staying. However, we're having to make room because we are going to have to expand our dairy goats. We've got, of course, Abigail and Beezus. They've recently had babies. They're giving us milk. Well, let me make a quick introduction. I'm up here at the Quail. We have been knocked down to about 7 or 8 quail. I hatched 31 quail about a week and a half ago, and we're down to 7 or 8 babies. We have a raccoon problem. The raccoon is coming up, getting on there and just reaching in however he can or she can, digging in there and killing the quail. It's coming up this post, see the scratch marks? And gets up here, holds on somehow, reaching in, doing its best to reach in and grab these quail. Taking the top off, throwing it down on the ground, their top, and grab a leg, a wing, whatever it can, bite it and chew it and eat it. Not getting a full quail, just getting part of it. I set up the trap twice now, well, 3 times. The boys did it once with some dead quail, and they got that one out. And I set it up around this corner this last night, and had it set up quite well. It must be a fat one. Got in there, rolled around, and my trap ended up out here in the middle of the ground. And you see the dead quail I trapped it with. Here's the feathers from it. It got out here and finished off that dead quail and ate it and got out of the trap. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get that thing into that trap and get rid of this stinking raccoon. May just be one, maybe multiple raccoons. I don't know. I may just have to be on watch tonight. Wake up every couple hours, come out here, try to take care of some business. I'll keep you updated. Not happy with this problem. We had 18 quail for almost a year. They were giving us eggs. We decided to incubate 44 eggs. My sister was on her way over here to visit on June 30th, and her husband, great folks, family, and we were going to slaughter some quail and eat with them when they came. Doesn't look like we're gonna have that opportunity now. These things have started attacking, and it has been vicious. Not happy. I'm gonna take care of this. Hey Eli. Yes. We got a raccoon problem. You ready to take care of it with me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Gabriel, come here, boy. Quick update. In the middle of raccoon hunting. The arm is doing well. Yeah. He's got those pins right there. I thought they were going to do like a surgery, like cut him open and do all kinds of stuff. No, they just straightened out the arm and put those pins straight in. And he probably had some kind of imaging to guide him. So he's just got 3 pins, boop, 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 in his arm. Yep, I'd show you, but I don't know. Some of you might not appreciate looking at that. Yeah. All right, I gotta get to this trapping. Take care of this raccoon. All right, and here in the dairy goat pen, of course, we have these 2 bucks here. They are a mixture of Nigerian Dwarf and Saanen. Ain't you boys? Saanen. And of course, there's Abigail, and we have Ramona, and then we have Daisy. And of course, her dad is Snowball. Snowball is a Saanen. So Saanen is a type and breed of milk goats. So her daddy is full milk goat just like her mama. But her mama's Nigerian, ain't you girl? Abigail's twins. Look how they're laying. That's just awesome. You are not seeing the same goat, I promise. Blue Eyes come from their daddy Snowball. He is a Saanen, like I said. So they are full milk goats. And I'm going to show you something a little precarious here that you're not going to see much any other place. This little girl here, this little sweet thing, she is actually... Whoa, 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 come here, girl, come here. I'm going to have to get some help to show you. She has a milk sack already. At 3 days old, she had a milk sack going. And at 4 days old, Mississippi State veterinarian came to our home and he pulled... Whoa! Jesus! You mean thing. Good grief. Did you see that? Scared this thing out of this... Poor thing. So let me show you from back here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see here if I can get a real good view. She won't move. She's normally very sweet. You see the milk sack down there? She's producing milk. 4 days old, she was producing milk. Not certain what's going on with her. However, we've got the vet on the case. He's going to let us know it's probably a hormonal imbalance of some sort. And I don't know what we're going to do. If we're going to, you know, leave her be, let her be, give her some medicine, let it dry up, or what. Don't know. But we'll keep you up to date because it's a very interesting thing. Hey, if you or anyone else has heard of it or know what's going on, give us some comments and let us know. Actually, I said to just her, both of them are doing this. Both of these baby girls are doing that. Aren't you girls? They are so sweet. They're full of life. Doing quite well. Aren't you girls? But it looks like Beezus is running them out of the... Look at them blue eyes. Hey girl, what is it? Beezus is apparently running them out of the house. Beezus apparently isn't a fan. Who knew? That's all right. Good gracious. There she goes. She just scratched with that leg and opened up where you could see that sack. Come here, girl. Let me see that sack for you. Come here. Yeah, the other one's not as big. So I believe that is Angela. Angela's the darker one, and she's the one with the sack. And the other one they named Sasha. So we got Angela and Sasha. They looking skinny right now, girls. Y'all need to eat some. Go get some milk. So I called Angela. And you can see the little teats right there. Look at them things. She's a week old today and she's producing milk. Can you stop chewing on my camera? Silly goats. Silly goats. She's a nice one, ain't you, girl? Look, she's got more of a goldish green eyes. Her sister's got pure blue eyes, just like her daddy. He's a Saanen. He's got beautiful blue eyes. Bingo or Rolly, one of those 2 boys, he has blue eyes. So we're going to have some blue-eyed babies around here. Yep, he's going to be married to Ramona here soon. Isn't he, girl? You ready to get pregnant and have babies? Huh? Yeah? Look for the camera. Say hello. Say hello. So she's next to breed. Alrighty. Oh, it's nice, bright and early. Really early. Sun's not even coming up. Came out to check my trap. Look what we have here, folks. Success! I got me a raccoon. Yes, I do. A quail-eating raccoon. Hey, feller. What you doing? Huh? Ooh, you don't like me. Ooh. That's alright. I don't like you. You don't like me much, do you? Huh? Hey, buddy. Did you know those were my quail you were killing and eating? You were stealing from me. Can I take that mask off? Don't you hiss at me, you mean thing. Good size too, ain't you? Not sure exactly what we're gonna do with that little fella. Got a good idea of what I'm gonna do with him. But either way, if I'm honest, I don't think my problem's solved. There's probably more than him. However, the quail do not seem to be disturbed at all last night, so it might just be the one. That's what I'm hoping for. So hey, whew, at least it feels like success. I gotta get to work. See ya. And of course, introducing Harmony. Harmony is a LaMancha in milk. She has been rehomed to us, and we are pleased to have her here. And unfortunately for her, she lost her baby when she was giving birth this year, just about a month or so ago, and she is in milk. So Mima is going to be able to milk her, as well as Abigail and Beezus soon. We're going to go full-on dairy goats. We've got a LaMancha, we're going to have Nubian, and we got the Nigerians. Of course, we also have the Saanen mix with Snowball. We're going to keep him. These two boys here, we're going to sell them. And we're going to keep Daisy, Abigail, Beezus, Ramona, and now we have Harmony. We're excited. We're going to be in the milk business. Milk, soap, everything. Hey girl, come here. Smile for the camera. Say hello. Hello. Say, I'm a LaMancha. Having some excitement on the dairy. Oh, yeah, she been sweet. Oh, they're going to try to milk. They said you look like her mama.
So Mama and I are getting ready. Well, not. I'm just out here gonna help Mama. Mama's getting ready to milk Harmony. We're just getting her ready, and Mama is on her way out.